Are you struggling to flat twist your natural hair without it puffing up, freezing out, or falling apart? Well, it's not your hands that are the problem. It's the way you prep, part, and grip your hair. And in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step beginner method that makes your flat twist look clean, defined, and last all week. This exact technique helped me get smooth, long-lasting flat twist even on thick, tightly coiled hair like mine. Let's get into it. I'm starting on stretched hair, and if you're wondering how I safely stretch my hair without heat damage, I've actually linked that video right here for you. Definitely check it out after this. Okay, let's begin. Start by sectioning a small piece of hair using your fingers or a comb, whatever works for you. Now you can flat twist away from your face like I prefer, or twist towards your face. It's totally your choice. Personally, I love flat twisting away from my face. It opens up the look and gives a neater finish. As you twist, keep grabbing little sections of hair just like you would when doing a cornrow. The technique is super simple. Add hair, twist. Add hair again, twist. Add hair and twist. It's like a rhythm. Once you get it, your hands will just flow. Once you reach the end of your flat twist, just finish it off like a regular two-strand twist. Nothing fancy here, just twist all the way to the bottom so it stays secure. Now, if the first side did not come out quite right, don't even stress. Let's do the other side together. I prep the hair the same way and repeat the process. Flat twisting really is one of those things where practice makes perfect. Let's do the other side together. Same prep, same process. Watch my hands closely. The motion is what matters. See how my hands move? Don't overthink it. Just keep that add and twist rhythm going. And if you mess up, just breathe, rewind and try again. Practice really makes perfect. It might feel tricky at first, but your hands will catch on faster than you think. Trust me, if I figured this out, so can you. You got this. To finish, I tie the two twists together at the back using a satin hairband. You can also use hairpins if that's easier for you. And that's it. I'm done. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and watching my other videos. Bye. See you in the next one.